In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save video from CapCut to gallery on PC. If you've just finished editing your project and you're ready to save it directly to your computer, this process is very simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can export your video and make sure it ends up in the exact folder you want on your PC. Start by making sure your timeline edit is fully finished and ready to export. Before you save, it's always a good idea to quickly check your video one last time so you don't have to re-export it later. Once everything looks good, move your mouse to the top right corner of the CapCut window and click the blue Export button. As soon as you do that, CapCut opens its main export panel in the center of the screen. This is where you control the file name and the save location. At the top of that panel, you'll see the title field. Click into that box and type the name you want for your video. Choosing a clear, simple file name makes it easier to find later, especially if you export multiple versions of the same project. Right below that, look for the Export to Line. This shows the current folder where your video will be saved. If you want to change that location, click the small folder icon on the far right side of that field. This opens your computer's file browser, where you can choose the exact destination for your export. You can save it to your Videos folder, your desktop, or any custom media folder you prefer. Once you've selected the folder you want, confirm it by clicking Select Folder. That locks in your save destination and tells CapCut exactly where to place the final file. After that, move down to the bottom right corner of the export window and click the large blue Export button. CapCut will immediately begin rendering your project. During this stage, the app combines your video clips, edits, audio, and any other elements into one finished video file. Depending on the length and quality of your project, this may take a little time, so just wait for the progress bar to reach 100%. Once the export is complete, your video is saved directly onto your computer's local storage in the folder you selected. From there, it's ready to watch, move, share, or archive whenever you want. And that's it. Your CapCut video is now successfully saved to your PC.